In this video, I will show you how to delete your chess.com account in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. Here we are currently on chess.com. Now what you want to do first is make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, what you then want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and you want to click onto settings down here and then go onto all settings. Next, what you need to do is make sure you're on your profile. So if you come again to this menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto profile at the top. And then what you need to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right down at the bottom, you're going to see where it says joins. There's a link which says manage account. So you want to click onto this link here. And what it's going to ask you to do is first of all, confirm your identity. You can see down here at the bottom. So what you need to do is put your password into this box here, and the code that appears in here, you want to put down into this box. Now this is capital sensitive, so if there's any capital letters, make sure you enter it correctly as it's shown here. And once that's done, click the confirm identity box. Once you've done this, you're going to see it's going to come up with an option saying to close my account. So all you need to do now is click the close my account option. And then it's going to ask you to tell us why you are leaving. So what you can do, you can choose any of these options, or you can just click other, and you don't have to put anything else in the box down here, but you can do if you want to. Once that's done, just click the red close my account button down here. And you'll see that's now closed down the account and you've been logged out from here. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.